Good evening, viewers. This is a Tuesday's edition of the regional news. Seismic activity at the La Souvriere volcano in St. Vincent and the Grenadines continues to be a low level since the tremor associated with the explosion and ash vented in April 22, 2021. No Lahar signals have been recorded during the reporting period. The UE Seismic Research Center says the current activity is consistent with a period of unrest after an eruption, which can continue after weeks to months. While volcanic activity has been on a decline, there is a continued presence of near-surface hotspots, daily seismic activity, and persistent degassing. The volcano is at alert level yellow. The Virgin Islands Department of Education said in a statement on Monday that the decision was made to implement mass testing due to the island's high positivity rate, increased COVID-19 hospitalizations territory-wide, and an increased number of positive cases among the department's school-based employees. The department said testing will begin on Wednesday for both vaccinated and unvaccinated students and staff. School Food Authority workers, custodians, and monitors who did not take COVID-19 tests during the week of January 10 to 14 must also submit themselves for a test. Education Commissioner Rockwell Berry Benjamin noted that the Department of Education is committed to ensuring the health and safety of students and staff as they continue to respond through the coronavirus pandemic. Parents of unvaccinated students who are 5 years and above and staff are encouraged to visit their community vaccination site to be inoculated. As of January 19, Jamaica's public hospitals will only be conducting emergency care services as the local public hospitals are under pressure and as several of the island's public hospitals face increased pressure due to the growing number of confirmed and suspected COVID-19 cases. There is also decreased staff coverage as many healthcare workers are out sick. This was disclosed on Tuesday by Health and Wellness Ministry. According to the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, the country would not return to lockdowns to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Inoculations against the coronavirus are instead being encouraged. Persons should exercise discretion in going to the hospitals and are advised to get vaccinated. And some international news. Hong Kong authorities said Tuesday that they will kill about 2,000 small animals, including hamsters, after several tested positive for the coronavirus at a pet store where an employee was also infected. The city will also stop the sale of hamsters and the import of small mammals, according to officials from the Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department. The pet shop employee tested positive for the Delta variant on Monday, and several hamsters imported from the Netherlands at the store tested positive as well. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, animals do not appear to play a significant role in spreading the coronavirus. But Hong Kong authorities said they're not ruling out transmission between animals and humans. As a precautionary measure, customers who purchased hamsters from the store after December 22nd and January 7 will be traced and be subject to mandatory quarantine and must hand over their hamsters to authorities to be put down. Officials said that they will stop all pet stores in Hong Kong from selling hamsters and that about 2,000 small mammals, including hamsters and chinchillas, will be killed in a humane manner. That brought us to the end of the Tuesday's edition of the Regional News. I'm Joel Vogt. Goodbye.